एम भरत कुमार।
बंगाल की सरकार कहते कि केंद्र नहीं देते पैसा, केंद्र कहते सरकार नहीं देते, हम फंसे हुए हैं बीच में।
मर्ग नहीं
बीच में हम फंसे हुए हैं। सुबह की सरकार भी नहीं देखते, केंद्र भी नहीं देखते, बीच में हम फंसे हुए हैं।
मर्ग नहीं भरत जी।
Thank you, Speaker sir. I take this opportunity. I speak on the interest
बोलने का अवसर 2 मिनट के लिए दिया है।
State of Andhra Pradesh, sir. Sir, the House must be knowing, the whole country must be knowing about the state of Andhra Pradesh. The state was bifurcated unscientifically by the in the UPA tenure, sir. Sir, by the time there was a promise made by the Honorable Prime Minister that Andhra Pradesh state shall be given special category status. But due to some unavoidable reasons of 14th Finance Commission, the special category status was denied. But later stage what happened, sir, in the 15th Finance Commission has mentioned that union government can take an appropriate
क्या सदन में किसने वादा किया था इस विषय पर? ये हमेशा उठाते रहते हो
सर।
इसका विषय निकाल के
डिमांड फॉर ग्रांट, सर। We need a grant for the Andhra Pradesh state, sir. Once the Andhra Pradesh state got unscientifically bifurcated, sir, this is not the voice of Andhra Pradesh. It should be a voice of the country, sir. Rather, it should be a voice of the country. And many more times, our Honorable Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy ji met the Prime Minister and all the union ministers, sir, to give a special grant for Andhra Pradesh. Sir, we are like a small baby, sir. We are malnutrition, sir. Let the people of Andhra Pradesh shouldn't think that we are minorities of the country, sir. Our number is only 25, but the injustice is made to the state of Andhra Pradesh. Let the magnanimity should be there for the government of India to sanction the grants for the state of Andhra Pradesh, sir. Sir, once the two brothers got separated as a family, one brother is given a high amounts of wealth and one brother is given nothing, sir. Then the government of India, being a father role, they have to take the justice for the Andhra Pradesh, sir.
बंटवारा कब हुआ था? ये
14 में हुआ था।
9 years done, sir. But up till now nothing has been happened, sir. Yes, sir. But then the minister Venkaiah Naidu ji has mentioned, sir, in the house itself, that Andhra Pradesh state shall be given 10 years of, not 5 years, 10 years of special category.
फिर निशिकांत जी आपको कानून बता देंगे नाम लोगे।
But these and the minister in this house, sir, not the other house, in this house only. Sir, one more thing, sir. It is one of the members from.
जब ये डिवीजन हुआ सर 2014 में, वेंकैया जी इस सदन के सदस्य नहीं थे। उन्होंने वहां राज्यसभा में क्या कहा क्या नहीं कहा, ये यहाँ थोड़े डिस्कस हो सकता है।
He has mentioned in this Lok Sabha house.
He was not minister. And he was not in Lok Sabha.
But he was mentioned in Lok Sabha, sir. By the time, and also the Honorable Prime Minister, then the Prime Minister, sir.
Manmohan Singh, who was the Prime Minister, assured the House that Andhra Pradesh will be given special category status at the time of the division.
5 years, 10 years.
Dr. Manmohan Singh as Prime Minister.
Sir, we are seeking a different part, sir, different ways to go with a private member bill, sir, for AP Reorganization Act of Private Member Bill of 2022. In that, we wanted to include special category status, sir.
Okay,
so why
धन्यवाद.
that kind of situation has to happen, sir? Sir, one more point, sir. Finally, I wanted to make one more point, sir. One of the members of TDP, sir, who is fabricating lies and voicing false statements right now, sir. Sir, I wanted to quote, sir, we are not that poor enough to pay salaries, sir. We are abundant enough to pay salaries. But one more thing, sir, the Minister of Finance has informed the state that 17,923 crores has been reduced against the NBC for 2021 to 22 due to the overborrowing of fiscal irresponsible by TDP government, sir, during 14th Finance Commission, sir. But that is being readjusted, that is being adjusted now what central government is giving to the state, that is being adjusted, sir. But the TDP tenure, they did all the mistakes and now what the funds is being given to the state, that is being reduced, sir. How can it be possible, sir?